It's Monday. It is May 15th. Oh God, I'm trying to remember what month it is. That's right, Mother's Day was the 14th, right? Yes, and I had a lovely Mother's Day. I hope all of you had a wonderful, lovely Mother's Day. If you still have your mother, lucky you, and you took her out or did something for her, or at least called her. If not, I hope your children took good care of you, and if none of that, I hope your pets were sweet to you. So there you go. It's all good, right? It was fun. I had a great weekend in the mountains, lovely. I went to the 3- and 4-year-old t-ball game, which was nothing short of hilarious. Everybody gets to hit the ball, and then they run the bases, and everybody in the field, there's 2 teams, and so every kid gets to hit when their team is up, and then there's a pitcher, and all these positions move around. So whoever gets the ball after the batter hits it, they have to throw it to first, and then first throws it back to home plate for the next person to hit. It's very organized, sort of. But Owen was totally focused and into it. And he was the pitcher for a while, which everybody wants to be because that's where the ball goes. But then when he went to right field, he thought he was still the pitcher. And so he would run for the ball and try and beat the pitcher. It was pretty hilarious. But anyway, we have to do not be a ball hog, right? Anyway, Vivi had a music recital on Saturday. It was lovely. We went to the symphony. Had a lovely Mother's Day brunch at a very cool restaurant in Black Mountain called Bush Farmhouse. It was delicious, all South African food, really good. Anyway, enough about my weekend. I failed you. I did not do a video on Thursday before I left. I lied. I apologize. Just didn't happen. All right, I'm here today. And I'm in a new location. You don't see the sheep behind me, do you? Well, Ray had a great suggestion. We got in a reorder of Cascade Heritage, which is just a workhorse fingering weight yarn and a reasonable price at $13 a skein. These new neons are amazing. There's the neon pink and the green down here. So lots of awesome colors, and you can use Heritage with mohairs and with multicolored other companies. You can mix and match. It doesn't all have to be Heritage. So it's a workhorse and a great yarn and an amazing price. So we're big with colors, so that's awesome. All right, this coming Sunday, Ann Budd. Ann Budd is just an amazing teacher. She's written many, 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 many books, and she's an authority on many, many, many techniques. So Sunday, May 21st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, we'll be adjusting for a different gauge. So you have a pattern that you love, and but you can't find the right gauge, or your gauge doesn't match the gauge of the pattern. This is going to be a tutorial on how to match your gauge and how to be able to create the sweater that you're looking for. So pay attention. Go to our website, go to Fiberside Chat, click on Ann Budd for May 21st. Pay your $20 and you'll have a front row seat. And you can directly ask questions as well in the chat. So it's very cool. Also this weekend, we have a Learn to Crochet class on Saturday from 10:30 to 12:30. If that's something you've been dying to do, call us, 910-692-3528, and we will get you signed up for class. It is how much is it? I don't know. Don't quote me. I don't know how much it is. Anyway, I think it's 30, but we'll see. Don't quote me. And then on Sunday, if you don't go to Fiberside Chats, come down to Bella Filati because Crissy is teaching a brioche class, Learn to Brioche, from 1 to 3. I know there are people out there who are dying to brioche, and Crissy is darn good at it. So she's a great teacher, and you will have a wonderful time. I'm sure there's room for 4 students. So call us again and sign up. It'll be great. And Sunday's great because the store's closed and it'll be quiet and you can really focus on brioche. All right. All right. I think that's it for me. Got a haircut today. Can you tell? Got a haircut. All right. I will see you tomorrow, I promise.